Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today and for your interest in mastering this incredible new tool. In this video, I am going to show you step by step exactly how to install the LoveMap AI. But before we dive into the technicalities, let me tell you what you are about to hold in your hands. This isn't just another chatbot, this is LoveMap AI. Built on the foundations of dark psychology, advanced manipulation techniques, and deep hypnotic patterns, this software has been trained to understand the very essence of human attraction. Imagine having a master strategist by your side, an entity that can guide you on how to make anyone fall head over heels for you. It is powerful, it is profound, and it is unlike anything you have ever experienced. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of desire? Alright, let's get down to business. Step 1 is simple. Download the file from the official link. Once the download is complete, your folder should look exactly like this. It only contains 2 files, and it is crucial that you keep them in the same directory or path location so they can communicate with each other. Installing it is incredibly easy. Just double-click the installer.exe to launch the setup wizard. Once you are inside the installer, you don't actually need to click anything inside the interface. You can go straight ahead and press the Start Installing button, and it will begin immediately. Now, a quick tip for you. In my specific case, I want to install this on a different drive. As you can see here, my C drive only has about 20 gigabytes of storage left, and this software requires at least 25 gigabytes to run smoothly. So, I'm going to change the path to my own reference instead. After I've changed the path, I'll press the Start Installing button. Once it is done, 2 shortcuts will appear on your desktop: the LoveMap AI shortcut itself and a temporary folder. This folder is very useful. It's where you can manually drop any AI models if the automatic download cannot download them properly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the software. See? That was incredibly easy. Now it is time to show you how to start and use it, which is much easier. To start the software, just double-click this LoveMap icon from your desktop. A command prompt will appear. Do not worry and do not panic, this serves as your server. You must not close it throughout your entire session while using this software. If this is your first time opening this software, it will download the AI model automatically. Just wait for it to finish downloading. Don't worry, it will only download once. Once it is downloaded obviously, it will not download again on your next opening. Once the download is finished, it will automatically start LM Studio. Yeah, we are using LM Studio as a model loader. If you already have LM Studio running in the background, don't worry, your old files will not get deleted. We just rename it to an old folder so it will not conflict with this modified version of LM Studio. Once the LM Studio is open, just minimize it. You don't need to set anything here. But since this is your very first time using the software on your computer, you will need to set 2 things inside the LM Studio first. Remember, you don't need to do it again, you will only do it once. And after that, you don't have to do this, as the settings will already save for future use. To modify the settings for you, all you have to do is click at the Select a Model to Load button. Click this one, and you will see various settings here. Don't worry, ignore everything else. You only need to focus on these 2 particular sliders, the GPU memory and the CPU core count. You can open a task manager to check your GPU offload easily. In my case, I have only 12 GB of GPU memory, and therefore I must slide this slider to make the value slightly lower than 12 GB. Notice the value up here. Remember, if you don't have a GPU, this software can still run. Just slide this to 0, though I did not try using this on a PC without a GPU. Next is CPU thread pool size. You can also go check on your task manager under CPU to see the value here. In my case, I have 4, and I want my PC to use all 4 cores because it really does help speed up the generation speed. Once it's all set, just press the Load Model button. Remember, you don't need to set it again next time. And you also don't need to press the Load Model button next time, since the LoveMap will automatically load it once they send a query to the model. But in our case, I will just show you how it really works. Let's say you are already done using this software. To close the software, just close this command prompt, and everything will close automatically as well. Now let's start the software again. Again, I'm just doing this to show you how it will look like if this is not your first time using this software. I will show you that it is actually very easy and super straightforward. Once you open the love map, the LM Studio will open as well. Now all you have to do is minimize it. Remember, just minimize it, don't close it. If you see messages like this, just choose Allow. It is very important to allow all network access. Just so you know, this love map also has the capability to be accessed from any other device that is connected to the same Wi-Fi. As you can see here, the server will provide an IP address that you can use to log in on any other device that is connected to the same Wi-Fi as this PC. We will talk more about this later in this video. Let's first access this love map on this PC. To do this, just type in localhost and 8080 using any browser you have. The beauty of this software is that it acts as if you're online, but the truth is, it is 100% offline. No data was being transferred to the outside world, as it is all stored on your own computer. Just create an account by going to that link and use that account to log in. And there you have it. Congratulations, you have now entered the LoveMap AI software. You may now ask any question to the AI related to love problems, or especially how to make a woman fall head over heels in love with you. Thank you for watching. I will also show you how to access it on another device. I will just open the old video I created. Here is the video. I'm out.
And there you go. Everything is working great. It's very easy to install, and the one-click installer makes it simple for anyone, even a 6-year-old, to install. Now, you might be wondering why it asks us to sign in. If it's offline, why do we need to log in like it's online? Good question. The truth is, it doesn't store your account online. When you create an account, it simply saves it on this PC, not online. Why is this important? Because you can access it on any device as long as you're connected to the same network. In this example, I'm on my phone, and I've visited the IP address written here. Now I can access LoveMap on whatever device I'm using. Let's create an account. You can type any email address you want to use. It doesn't matter, as long as you don't forget it because you'll need it to sign in. Enter your password, then press the Create Account button. Boom, you're signed in automatically. As you can see, the AI model has been selected automatically. Now you can ask any question related to problems in your relationship. The AI responds like a normal person, asking you questions so you won't get lost in the conversation. It's like having a love guru or love advisor for free right on your computer, as long as you have 16 GB of RAM for the free version and 32 GB of RAM for the premium model. You don't need a GPU, but if you have one, it may speed up the process a little, especially with an NVIDIA GPU. I've had a lot of fun with this AI, and the conversations are enjoyable and full of lessons to learn. You can easily make anyone want to love you or do whatever you want by simply asking this AI for advice on your specific situation. If you want to have this AI and use it too, check the description to download it for free.